Hey guys, it's Sam here. So I've just pulled up to the Blackall Pistol Club. I was speaking to Stan from the club recently and they've got a big anniversary coming up in 2 years' time. So I'm going to have a chat to them about that, meet some new people and see what it's all about. This is Stan. He's a real legend of the club, even qualified for the Olympics. And these guys are doing the rapid fire, which is 4 targets in 5 seconds. It's pretty impressive.
No, take the one with the 10 on it.
Where's the 10?
Now we're checking the holes in the targets to count the score, and afterwards they put these little black stickers back over so the target's ready for the next one. And this is where they do the air pistol shooting, and Stan was kind enough to show me the ropes. Okay, so then how do you get it over there?
Plonk it in there like that. Yeah. Blow it over and go up under there.
Oh, yeah.
And then it's Flintstone.
Hey.
I designed that.
Did you?
Yes.
And this building here is the clubhouse, which originally came from out at the Wolfscour.
That was the lasagna buckhold and shoot.
These are all their trophies and plaques that you can get your name on if you work really hard. My favourite is the aggregate award because it's not about being the best, it's about being the most consistent and turning up, which I think is right up my alley. If you have a look at these plaques, you might see that Stan's name is on them quite a bit. Like I said, he is a legend of the club.
Pen or Swampy Mart. It's a year aggregate.
Stan told me that Central Highlands Toyota in Emerald are sponsors for the Pistol Club, so thank you very much, Toyota. Here are the fees in case you're thinking about joining. I had the best time at the Pistol Club. It was really laid back in a friendly atmosphere. Everybody was super welcoming. So I definitely think I'll go again, and I might just be the newest member next year. If you're interested, if you're in town thinking about joining, head up there, have a chat to Stan. Or if you have been a member in the past, 2 years away, big celebration for the 40th anniversary. So definitely start preparing ahead for that.